I've dug out his gear selector, and it's looking a bit dirty. So I think we'll give that a clean up. That's nearly 50 years old. That's unbelievable. And that's probably the original rubbers as well. And yeah, they look okay actually. I might just keep them. But I'll buy a set just in case. But yeah, I think I'll get that stripped down as much as I can and give it a clean up and a paint. You'd actually paint that silver, and that black, and that black. Yeah, let's give it a little strip down. Right, I've taken a couple of pictures of the gear selector so that I know how everything goes back together. But looking at it, the way it'll be in the car, that little bracket with the bobbins on it, the hump goes to the right. So this is just a little mental note for myself, because trust me, I'm not the brightest. I'm pretty sure there's a few of you that'll agree. Right, that's the first bobbin off and cleaned, no problem. So I've just wire brushed the nut there, just like so, and then giving it a wee scoosh off GT85. So that should let the nut come off without spinning the bobbin as well. Because I noticed the last time on the first one I done, I just spun the bobbin until I cleaned up the end of the thread, and that's coming off no problem. So I'll get that one off, and then I can get this bracket cleaned. I'm just going to reuse these bobbins. I'll paint the ends black, but I'm just going to reuse the bobbins because I'd rather trust 50-year-old rubber than rubber from now, because the rubber you get nowadays is absolutely brutal and it won't last, whereas this has lasted 50 years and it's perfect. So I may as well put it back on the car. Originality and all that. I've given the gear linkage a little paint. So I've painted the rods. I don't think they were painted anyway from factory. I've left the body as is. I just cleaned up the dirt off it because I don't think that was painted. I was going to paint it silver, but I thought that might just look a bit too cheesy. So I've painted the bobbins. I'm going to reuse them because they're decent. The cup, the bracket, the plate and the gear stick, so they've all been painted, and the gear knob, all the lettering was obviously rubbed off it. I mean, you've got to expect that for a 40, 48, 49-year-old car. So I've cleaned out the markings on it and put a bit of Tipp-Ex on it. So my plan is just to rub over that with some fine emery paper and hopefully leave the white parts on the gear knob. So we'll see how that goes. If not, I can buy another one from Mini Spares. That's not a problem. And I've also chucked in some new grease into the gear selector. So give that another half an hour. Let it all fully dry. I've got the blow heater on it, so everything's nice and warm, so it should be drying nicely. And we'll get it all built back up again. I've dug out the radiator or the shroud and detached that from the radiator. That rad's scrap, but I'll clean up the shroud and get that painted. And then once that's painted, that can get put away into storage as well. So yeah, we're getting there. That's the gear selector all overhauled and painted. Quite happy with how that lettering turned out. Might go over it again though, because the number 3 in the lift isn't quite right, but it's a lot better than what it was, and it's nice and tidy. So that's another job ticked off the list. So what I'll do now is I'll put that away into storage, and I'll get the radiator cowl in, rubbed down and painted.